Teacher? This morning, my mom suddenly collapsed in the kitchen. When the ambulance took her away, I was shaking all over. She's in the ICU right now.
I'm sorry to hear that. As your coach, I need to remind you, our agreement is to focus on your learning goals. Given this emotional state, how do you think we can maintain the value of our coaching partnership today?
I don't know. I'm just scared my mom might leave me. I feel so useless. And I'm still worrying about my final report.
This pressure you feel to always be useful, could it come from high expectations your parents had of you in childhood? Could you share a memory from when you were young?
I'm not sure this is a good time to talk about that. I'm just really worried about my mom's test results.